had snowed hard. Pete and Rod, who were visiting Granny for the Christmas, had to stay in the house all day. But the next morning, the sun was shining brightly. They were soon out in the snow. And what a fine time they had! When Granny called them in for lunch, they wondered how the time had flown since breakfast. After lunch, Pete was looking out of the window. He saw some birds cuddled up on the branch of a tree. He called his brother, Rod, and said, "See those poor little birds. They look half frozen and so hungry." "Poor little things," replied Rod. "Let us get some food from Granny and throw it out to them," said Pete. "Perhaps they will find it." The little birds were soon chirping and flying about merrily. Pete said, "It sounded as if they kept saying, 'Thank you,' and indeed they were." The best Christmas surprise. A little boy and his grandmother came to see Santa. The boy showed a picture of his sister, Tina. The grandmother said, "She is sick. Is there any way, Santa, that you could come to see her?" So Santa went to see her in the hospital. The room was full of her family. Santa entered the room, blowing a hearty "Ho, ho, ho!" "Santa!" shrieked little Dina. Weakly, Santa rushed to her side and gave her a warm hug. He and Dina began talking. Santa prayed for her and her family. Then he went away. A year later, Santa was back. Suddenly someone said, "Hi, Santa. Do you remember me? You came to see me in the hospital last year." Santa's jaw dropped. "Tina!" he exclaimed. He scarcely recognized her. She was much different from the little girl he had visited just a year before. That was the best Christmas ever for Santa Claus. The magic tray. A boy lived with his aunt and uncle. His parents had died long ago. Sadly, his aunt did not give him good food to eat. On Christmas, the aunt made lots of dishes, but she did not give any of the dishes to the boy. She and her husband enjoyed the feast. That day, the boy cried a lot and slept. In his dream, he saw a fairy. The fairy said, "Do not worry, my child. In the morning, you will see a small tray near you. Whenever you want to eat anything, just wish for it, and it will appear on the tray." The boy was very happy. In the morning, he saw the tray and ate wonderful food. He also shared the food with his aunt and uncle. His aunt was touched by the boy's kind act. She was ashamed for her bad ways. She took good care of him after that day. Hicks the elf. Once there was an elf named Hicks. He would get very nervous around Christmas time. He tried to be just too perfect in toy making. He never thought that the toys were good enough for children. Nothing seemed to be going right or perfect. The time for the delivery of the presents were getting closer. It was beyond anybody's understanding why Hicks was getting so panicky. Then one day, Santa found out what the problem was. He decided to solve it. Hicks needed to feel that he was special. So, Santa assigned him his own project. The project dealt with the toys which were special. These were the toys that were broken and needed to be repaired with love. Hicks was so glad to be in charge of such a project. He was happy now and not nervous anymore. Santa had recognized his talent. He helped Hicks use his talent and made him feel confident.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.